Hello everybody, Caleb here with Remax. Today we're in the community of Sagewood in Airdrie. This is a family-friendly area. You can see there's a lot of pathway systems and parks, a lot of schools. We're close to the golf course. You know, people gravitate here because your dollar goes so much further here. And I'm going to show you a prime example of that at this home coming up here. So let's go take a look. Alright guys, welcome to 348 Sagewood Park. Now let me show you some value here. Take a look at this. Nice front veranda. What's interesting about this is you see they have these pull down screens. So this is west facing, so you get a lot of good evening sun in here. If you have too much, pull down the screens. Alright guys, so really updated. This is so cozy and cute in here. I totally love it. They just recently installed this vinyl plank floors. Totally open concept, good living space. Behind me you have a really neat little desk area. Going with the open flow here, you see the wide open kitchen, which is awesome for entertaining. Some updates include the newer stove, the backsplash. The island is a great place for, the kids having, breakfast in the morning and whatnot. Ton of big windows. Now this is our morning sun side. Huge deck, nicely landscaped. This garage is only a few years old. They also redid the roof a couple years ago too. See the gas line for the barbecue. Now our half bath completes this level. Great for guests. Basement is undeveloped, but it's wide open. Really good layout down there with all the utilities on one side. Now upstairs we have 3 really good sized bedrooms and laundry area here. So everything's on the top floor, so very convenient. Really good sized kids bedroom here. Second bedroom is currently being used as an office, but you could do the same, or you can put a bedroom. Really nice bathroom. It's clean. Same countertops and cabinets as in the kitchen downstairs, so it's very uniform. And look at this master bedroom, which is just huge. Love these windows. 3 of them. You get a lot of nice light in here. His and her closets. So as promised, guys, like I said, there's a ton of value here, and this would be awesome for a first-time buyer. Like there's schools and amenities nearby. If you guys have any questions or you'd like to book a viewing, you know where to find me. Thanks for watching.